I'm Hamish. I'm a technician here at BMAID inside Bartlett School of Architecture, one of the leading architecture schools in the world. We help to basically get the students' ideas off paper into real world. So creating models, plywood, MDF, all kinds of sheet material, but then also looking into like 3D prints and different kind of materiality and stuff. Our Altendorf, we specified that it had 4-axis control. So we were able to control the rip fence and the CNC cross fence, which is really, really nice. As a technician, I'm able to just walk up, put a sheet on, type in what I need to cut, and it's just really quick. So we're able to get through student demand incredibly quickly. So the measurements are always bang on pretty much every time. I don't normally check them. It's kind of lazy, I know. I'm probably a bit spoilt, but yeah, I never really check. I just trust the machine. Altendorf ElmoDrive has a really, really nice interface. It allows you to get into like geometrical shapes, so telling it what kind of shape you want to make, what geometry you want to do, and it will calculate that for you. We chose R&J to supply the machine out of the fact that they are the best in terms of service and support. We know that if we ever have a problem with the machine, which we haven't yet, which is great, but if we ever do, they're a really quick phone call away and they'll be straight on within 24 hours to help us sort it out. As far as the Bartlett is concerned, Altendorf machines are the best. We will continue to be using those for many years to come. Ultimately, R&J have enabled the Bartlett to provide the best opportunity to the Bartlett students.